Let's take a look at this example. This time we have 3 resistors connected in parallel. In parallel because the total current is going to split into 3 currents. Okay, so I'm going to have current I3, I4 and I5. And after that, these 3 currents are going to get back to the one current, which is going to be again my total current. So one more time, the current is going to split into 3 currents, and these 3 currents are going to create one current, which is going to be the same current which we send to these 3 resistors. Okay, I mean the ohm meter is going to send the current to these 3 resistors. Okay, so it means that these resistors are in parallel. Total current splits and gets back together again at the other side of the network. So in this case, we're supposed to use the formula which is going to allow me to calculate total resistance for more than 2 resistors. Okay, so I'm going to use this formula. R total is equal 1 over, open parenthesis, 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. I use this formula for the circuits, parallel circuits, which have more than 2 resistors. Okay, I can use also for the circuits which have 2 resistors, but most of the time I use this formula for the circuits which have more than 2 resistors. Now I have to substitute the variables by the values of these resistors. So I have 1 divided by, open parenthesis, and I have 1 over 3 kilo plus 1 divided by 2 kilo plus 1 divided by 3 kilo. Okay, so I can write R total is equal. Now I'm going to use the calculator. I have 1 divided by, open parenthesis, okay, 1 divided by, open parenthesis, and I have 1 divided by 3 exponent 3. So basically what I did, 1 divided by, open parenthesis, 1 divided by 3k, okay, 3 exp, anytime I press exp I see times 10 to the third, okay, because we talk about the kilo, plus 1 divided by 2k, so I have 1 divided by 2 exp 3, plus 1 divided by 3 exp 3, close parenthesis, okay, and my answer is 857.14 ohms. So my R total is equal 857.14 ohms. Okay, and this is going to be the basically the resistance which is going to be measured by this ohm meter, and this is my solution.